He wasn't born rich, but he believed he could change everything.
Every morning, he dreamed of a life beyond this town. He worked small jobs, but his mind was somewhere bigger.
He spent nights studying success stories instead of sleeping.
One word echoed in his mind: freedom.
If you follow these steps, you can easily turn $100 into $10,000 in just 30 days.
Then one video changed everything.
He didn't just watch, he studied.
Days turned into nights. Nights into obsession.
That night, he invested his first $100.
Days turned into nights. Nights into obsession. And then, it happened.
$100 became $3,000 overnight.
For the first time, he felt unstoppable.
Look at this, dude. I can't believe it actually worked.
No way, you're kidding me. That's insane.
He thought he'd found the secret word, the shortcut to success. But shortcuts always have a price. The world was changing fast. And so was his fortune.
The algorithm caught the surge. Executing the sell order now. We hold position on the rest and monitor the dark pools.
$10K became $100K, then $1 million.
He became a millionaire before graduation.
And that's when everything changed.
Each morning, the numbers grew, and so did his confidence.
For the first time, he felt like someone.
Bro, how much you made? Everyone wanted to know his secret. He became the crypto kid of his town.
He believed this was only the beginning.
The more he earned, the more he wanted. Next big coin. He started following the noise instead of his plan.
Logic faded. Greed took over.
Stop him. It's hard to change.
Ethan, come eat dinner.
Not now, Mom.
The world finally noticed him. He was addicted, not to money, but attention.
He started living fast, too fast.
The people who cared faded into the background.
He thought he was untouchable.
Crypto market volatility expected.
But arrogance blinds faster than success.
Nah, This time I know better. The signs were everywhere, he just refused to see.
And in one night, his empire would burn. It started like any other day, until it didn't.
The market fell faster than anyone imagined.
He tried to escape, but panic always moves slower than loss.
His $1 million turned to $20,000, then to nothing. It'll bounce back, it has to. Denial is the first stage of every fall. He wasn't alone in loss, but it felt like he was. The ones who led him there vanished first.
Ethan, are you okay?
He couldn't face her. Not yet.
Storms don't warn before they hit.
Days turned into nights. He stopped eating, stopped sleeping.
The screens that once lit his world now haunted him.
He replayed the highs in his mind, trying to remember who he was.
The messages stopped coming after a while. Even the rain felt like judgment. He had nothing left but regret.
He didn't recognize the person staring back.
Anger is easier than acceptance. And when anger fades, silence takes over. He finally understood what losing everything feels like. But even after the darkest night, the sun still rises.
For the first time in months, he looked forward.
Rock bottom isn't the end, it's the foundation. He rebuilt, piece by piece. The man in the mirror looked real again.
He had no money left, but he had clarity.
This time, it wasn't about chasing quick wins. He was rebuilding from the inside out. Small victories started to mean everything.
His first dollar earned with skill, not luck.
He rebuilt his routine, brick by brick.
Momentum returned, this time built on patience.
4,000 felt richer than his first million ever did.
If you're watching this, don't give up. He was starting to share his truth.
His story resonated more than his success ever did.
become purpose.
The world hadn't changed, but he had.
He finally stopped chasing ghosts of profit.
He began teaching others what no chart could show.
He showed them the cost of greed, the value of humility.
He smiled because he hoped they'd be smarter.
He wrote his failure into history.
Sometimes, losing everything is how you learn what matters.
The same desk, the same man, a different soul. Some words are worth more than millions.
His fall became a blueprint for others.
Every sunrise reminded him how far he'd come.
He didn't regain his fortune. He found something better, a palmer, himself. Subscribe for the next real story that'll move you.
Hit subscribe and join the journey.